Welcome back, children. In previous classes, children, we have learned chapter 3. In that we have learned subtraction of 3-digit numbers, subtraction of 4-digit numbers, subtraction with zeros, and then we have learned estimating the difference. All these topics already we have learned in chapter 3. Now we are going to move to chapter 4, that is multiplication. Yes, so before starting this chapter, I want to ask you children, how many tables you know? See children, you should know tables 2 to 15. At least 2 to 15 tables you should know in class 3. Then only you will be able to solve exercises of multiplication. Yes? So all of you, those are not knowing these tables, those are not knowing up to 15 tables, they will learn now. Yes? Now we are going to start exercise 4.1. So let's start exercise 4.1 children. See here, question number 1, fill in the blanks. Now see this question children, here this side it is written as addition sentence. You can see this plus sign here. Here this 3 is written with plus sign. Now this side which sign we have? We have here multiplication sign. Means this addition sentence we have to convert into multiplication sentence. So how to convert children? See. What to do? First we have to count this number is repeated how many times. So we will count this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times it is repeated? It is repeated 5 times. So first we have to write this side here number of repetition. So we will write here 5 and then we have to write the number which is repeated. So which number is repeated here? This is 3. So here we will write this 3. So this way we have filled these both the blanks. Now what to do? We have to multiply these both the numbers and write the answer here. So 5 3s are how much? 5 3s are 15. So here we will write 15. Yes children. So this way we may fill these blanks very easily. Now see this one. Here also we have to count this 8 is repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many times it is? 4 times. So first we have to write here 4 and then the number is 8 which is repeated. So here we have to write this 8. Now what to do? We have to multiply both the numbers. So 4 8s are how much? 4 8s are 32. So here we have to write 32. Now this third one we will see. Here also same way we will count first how many times this 7 is repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many times it is? It is 6 times. So first we have to write here 6 and then the number is 7 which is repeated. So here 7 we have to write. Now what to do? We have to multiply both the numbers. 6 7s are how much? 6 7s are 42. So see this way you may solve any question very easily. Just you have to remember in first blank we have to write the number of repetition and then we have to write the number. Yes. Now we will do second question of this exercise. Now let's start question number 2. Multiply the following numbers. Now see children, here you can notice one thing. Here one number is there which is having zeros in the last. So when we are having this type of question, without doing long calculation, we may solve these questions by short method orally. See how to do this? We will first multiply only the numbers, these two numbers, 7 and 1. Yes? So 7 ones are how much? 7 ones are 7. So first we will write here 7 and then how many zeros are there? There is only 1 0. So we have to write here 1 0. Then here also same way. First we will multiply these two numbers 9 and 2. So 9 2s are how much? 9 2s are 18. So first we will write here 18 and there is also 1 0. So here we will write 1 0. Now this one we will see. Here also these two numbers we have to multiply. Now see children, if we don't know the table this many times, this is little little big number. So what we can do? We can multiply these both the numbers in rough work. So here this number we will write here 21 multiplied by 4. Now 4 ones are 4. So we will write here 4 and then 4 twos are 8. So this way we got 84. So this 84 we will write here. Then we have to put how many zeros? We have to write here 1 0 only. Now same way this one also we will solve. Here also this 63 is big number. So first we will multiply these both the numbers in the rough work, 63 and 5. So 5 threes are 15. So we will write here 5 and 1 carry over we have to write here. Now 5 6 are 30 plus 1. 5 6 are 30 and this carry over we have to add. So 30 plus 1, 31. So we will write here 31. So we got this number 315. So first we will write here 315 and then we have to write this 1 0. So this way we have solved these 4 questions which is having only 1 0. Yes, this way we have solved 4 questions in which we are having 1 0 in the last. Now we will solve these questions in which we are having 2 zeros in the last. But we have to solve same way. See, first we will multiply here also these two numbers. So first 6 ones are how much? 6 ones are 6. So first we will write here 6. And then how many zeros we have to write? Here you can see 1 and 2. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So we have to write here 2 zeros. Then same way these two numbers we will multiply. Same way we will multiply 7 and 2. So 7 twos are how much? 7 twos are 14. So first we have to write here 14 and then we have to put how many zeros? 2 zeros. So we will write here 2 zeros. Then 17 and 6 we have to multiply. So here also children, if you don't know table of 17 or 6 table 17 times, then what we can do? Here also we will multiply in the rough work this 17 and 6. So 6 sevens are how much? 6 sevens are 42. So we will write here 2 and then 4 carry over we have to write here. Now 6 ones are 6 plus 4 how much? It is 10. So which number we got? See, we got 102 and then we have to write these 2 zeros. So we will write here 2 zeros. Then see this one. Here also we are having these two numbers 21 and 3. So this 21 and 3 also we will multiply in rough work because we don't know tables this many times. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Yes, now this 63 we have to write here first. So 63 we will write and then we have to write how many zeros? We have to write 2 zeros. So we may write 2 zeros. With 1 zero and 2 zeros, both type of questions we have solved very easily. Now we will see question number 3. Now let's solve question number 3. Multiply the following numbers. See children, now we have to multiply this 2-digit number with 1-digit number. So see, to multiply numbers, first we should know tables. Yes, here we are multiplying with 3, means we should remember the table of 3. So here I have written this table of 3. But you have to learn tables, all the tables to 50. Yes children. Now see, here we have to start multiplication from the ones place. So this 3 first we have to multiply with 3. So 3's table how many times we have to read? We have to read it 3 times. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos remember the table of 2. So now this 2 we will multiply with 4. So 2's table how many times we will read? We will read it 4 times. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. So here we got 8. Now 2's table how many times? 2 times. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So here we will write 4. Yes. So this way, which number we got? See, 4, 8, 48. Now we will solve this third one. Here we are multiplying again with 3. So this 3's table only we have to remember. See, first we have to multiply this 3 with 5. So 5 times we have to read this 3's table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. How much we got? We got 15. Now see children, if we got 2-digit number, so what we have to do? This ones place digit we have to write here on ones place, and then tens place digit we have to write as carry over here on tens place. Yes, this you have to remember nicely. Now we will multiply these two. 3's table how many times? 2 times. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So we got 6 and this carry over also we have to add in 6. So 6 plus 1 how much? It is 7. So we got here 75. Now this we will solve question number 4. So 4's table we have to remember. This 4's table I have written here. Now 4 we have to multiply with 2 first. So 4's table 2 times we will read. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So here we got 8, and then again we have to multiply this 4 with this one. So here again we got 2. So again 4's table we will read 2 times. We will get again 8. So which number we got? See, we got 88. Now see, all 4 questions we have solved very easily if we know tables. Yes, so you must learn all the tables children. Yes, now we will solve next exercise. Now let's solve exercise 4.2 question number 1. Multiply the following numbers. Now see children, here also we are having same type of questions, but here we are having now 3-digit numbers. Yes, you can see this is 1, 2 and 3. How many digits are there? 3 digits. So same steps we are going to follow here also. First we are having here this 3. First we have to multiply this 3 with this 132. So we have to remember the table of 3. So see, we will start the multiplication from ones place. So 3 we have to multiply with 2 first. So 3's table how many times we have to read? We have to read it 2 times. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So how much we got? We got it here 6. We got here 6. Now 3's table how many times we have to read? We have to read 3 times. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. So how much we got? We got 9. Now again 3 we have to multiply with this one. So 3 ones are 3. So here we will write 3. So this way, which number we got? See, 396. Now we will solve this question number 2. See, 240 we have to multiply with 2. So here we have to remember this table of 2. We will start with this 0. So 2 we have to multiply with 0. So 2 zeros are how much? 0 only. So we have to write here 0. Now 2's table we have to read 4 times. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. So how much we got? We got 8. Then 2's table how many times we have to read? 2 times. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So here we got 4. So which number we got? 480. Now we will see this third one. See, here we have to multiply with 5. So we have to remember this table of 5. We will start with this 3. 5's table we have to read how many times? 3 times. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 5 threes are 15. Now see children, here also we got this 2-digit number. So on ones place we have to write 5 and then 1 will be carry over on tens place. Yes. Then again we have to read this table of 5 how many times? 2 times. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. And this carryover we have to add in 10. So 10 plus 1 how much? 10 plus 1 11. So we have to write here 1 and again 1 carryover we have to write here on hundreds place. Now 5's table we have to read only 1 time. So 5 ones are 5 and then we have to add this one. So 5 plus 1 6 we got. So here we will write 6. So this way we got 650. Now we will solve this fourth one. See, here we have to multiply with 9. So I have written here 9's table. Now see, first we will multiply these two. So 9's table 2 times we have to read. 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. So 8 we will write here and 1 carry over on tens place. Now 9 we have to multiply with 0. So 9 zeros are how much? 0 only. And then we have to add this 1 in 0. So 0 plus 1 how much? It is 1. Now 9 we have to multiply with this 1. So 9's table only 1 time. 9 ones are 9 only. So here we will write this 9. So which number we got? 980. Yes. So this way we have solved these 4 questions which is having 3-digit numbers. Yes. Now we will solve next question of this exercise. Now let's solve question number 2. Arrange in columns and multiply. So here also we are having 3-digit number, but it is not arranged in columns. So first we have to arrange in columns and then we have to multiply same way as we have multiplied in question number 1. Yes. So here this number we have arranged here and here this we have to multiply with 3. So this 3's table we will see. We will start multiplication with the ones place. 3's table how many times we will read? 6 times. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15 and 3 sixes are 18. How much we got? We got 18. So 8 we have to write here and 1 we have to write here in carryover. Now this 3 we have to multiply with this 0. So 3 zeros are 0 only. Now with 0 we have to add this 1. So 0 plus 1 how much? 0 plus 1 1. So we write here 1. Now 3's table how many times we will read? 2 times. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So we have to write here 6. So see what is the number? 680. Now we will solve the second question. Here we have to multiply with 4. So this 4's table how many times we have to read? 4 times. So we will see here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and 4 fours are 16. So we got here 6 and 1 carryover we can write here on tens place. Now 4's table how many times? 2 times. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. And then with 8 we have to add this 1 also. So 8 plus 1 9. So we got here 9. Then we have to multiply this 4 with this 1. So 4's table we have to read only 1 time. 4 ones are 4 only. So we write here 4. So see which number we got? 496. Now we will see this third one. 5 we have to multiply here. So this 5's table we will see. have written here 8. Now which number we got? See, 885. Now we will solve this fourth one also. Here this 6 is there. So we have to see this 6 table. Now 6 we have to multiply with 4 first. So we will read this. So we will read the 6th table. How many times? 4 times. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and 6 fours are 24. So we have to write here 4 and then 2 we have to write here in carryover. Now again we will read the 6th table. How many times? 1 time only. So 6 ones are 6 only and then we have to add this 2 in 6. So 6 plus 2 how much? 6 plus 2 8. So this 8 we will write here. Now 6 table again we have to read how many times? 1 time only. So 6 ones are 6 only. So this way 684 we got. Yes. So we have solved all these questions very easily if we know tables. Yes. Now we will see the next exercise. Now let's see exercise 4.3 question number 1. Multiply the following numbers. Now see children, here also we are having the same questions of multiplication, but now here we are having now 4-digit numbers. Yes, you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4-digit numbers now we got. So same steps we are going to follow here also. Same way we will multiply 4-digit numbers also. See, here we have to multiply with this 4 with 6. So 4's table how many times we have to read? 6 times. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20 and 4 sixes are 24. So we have to write here 4 and 2 will be carry over. Now 4's table how many times? 5 times. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16 and 4 fives are 20. And then in 20 we have to add this carry over. So 20 plus 2, 22. So we have to write this 2 here. And again we got 2 carry over. Now 4's table 4 times. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and 4 fours are 16. So 16 we have to add with this 2. So 16 plus 2 how much? 16 plus 2 18. So we have to write here 8 and 1 we have to write it carry over. Now again we have to read this 4's table how many times? 2 times. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Then we have to add this 1. So 8 plus 1 how much? It is 9. So see which number we got? 9824. Yes. Now we will solve this second one. Here we have to multiply with 3. So we will see this 3's table. 3 we have to multiply with this 3. So how many times we will read it? 3 times. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. So we have to write here 9. Then again we have to read 3 times 3's table. So again we will get 9. Then 3's table how many times? 1 time only. So 3 ones are 3. And then 3's table 2 times. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So here we got 6. So see which number we got? 6399. Now we will solve this third one. Here we have to multiply with 5. So 5 we will multiply with this 7 first. So 7 times we have to read this table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30 and 5 sevens are 35. So we got here 35. So we have to write here 5 on ones place and 3 will be written in carry over. Now 5's table how many times? 5 times. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. Then we have to add this 3 in 25. be written in carry over on thousands place. Now 5 ones are 5 and then we have to add this 2. So 5 plus 2 how much? It is 7. So we got this number 7285. Yes. Now let's see this question number 4. See here we have to multiply with 6. So first we will multiply these two numbers. 6 table how many times we have to read? We have to read it 8 times. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42 and 6 eights are 48. So here we have to write this 8 and then we will write this carry over here on tens place. Now again we will see this 6 we have to multiply with 7 now. So how many times we have to read this table? We have to read it 7 times. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36 and 6 sevens are 42. And then in 42 we have to add this carry over also. So 42 plus 4 how much? 46. So 6 will be written here and 4 will be written in carry over. Now again the 6th table how many times we have to read? We have to read this 4 times. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and 6 fours are 24. And then 24 plus 4 how much? 28. So here we have to write this 8 and 2 carry over here on thousands place. Now what to do? We have to multiply this 6 with this 1. So 6 ones are 6 and then plus 2. So 6 plus 2 how much? It is 8. So here also we got 8. So which number we got? See 8868. So 4 digit numbers also we have multiplied very easily. Only we have to learn tables. Yes children, again and again I am telling you, you learn tables. So you may solve these questions very easily. Now we will see second question. Now let's see question number 2. Arrange in columns and multiply. Now see children, here also we are having this 4 digit number, but here it is not arranged in columns. So first we have to arrange in columns here, then we have to multiply. So see same way we will multiply here also. We have to start from the ones place. This 4 we will multiply with this 4. So we have to read this 4's table how many times? 4 times. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and 4 fours are 16. So we got here 6 and 1 carry over here on tens place. Now 4's table 2 times. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8 and then we have to add this 1. So 8 plus 1 9. Then 4's table we have to read 6 times. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20 and 4 sixes are 24. So we have to write here 4 and 2 carry over on thousands place. Now 4 we have to multiply with this 1. So 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6. So how much we got? We got 6496. Now we will see the second one. Here we have to multiply with 7. So we have to read this 7's table. How many times? 6 times. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35 and 7 sixes are 42. So we got here 42. So we have to write here 2 and 4 in the carry over. Now 7's table how many times? 2 times. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Then we have to add this 4 and 14. So 14 plus 4 how much? 14 plus 4 18. So we have to write here 8 and again we got 1 carry over. Now 7's table 4 times. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 and 7 fours are 28. And then we have to add this 1 and 28. So 28 plus 1 29. So we have to write here 9 and 2 here carry over. Now 7 ones are 7 and then plus 2 how much? 9. So we got here 9. So which number we got? 9980. and 1 carry over on thousands place. Now 6 table, 1 time only. So 6 ones are 6 plus 1, how much? 7. So we got this number 7290. Yes? So now we will solve this fourth one. Here we are having this 8. So we have to read the table of 8. How many times? We have to read it 5 times. So see, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32 and 8 fives are 40. So we have to write here 0 and 4 carry over on tens place. Then 8's table again we have to read 6 times. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40 and 8 sixes are 48. Then we have to add this 4 in 48. So 48 plus 4 how much? 48 plus 4, 52. So we have to write here 2 and then we have to write this 5 here up in carry over. Now 8 we have to multiply with this 0. So 8 zeros are 0. Then 0 plus 5, 5 only. So we got here 5. Then 8 ones are 8. So here we will write this 8. So see which number we got? 8520. So this way we have solved 3 exercises very easily. So everyone learn tables. Now we will see a short recap. Let's have recap, children. See, children, we have learned in this class multiplication of 2-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. Then we